Worshipped by the Aztecs, who would make it with water, cocoa beans and spices, status symbol for the elite of the New World, sip talking about politics and philosophy during Enlightenment age, hot chocolate has an adventurous story which brought it all the way here, all the way into your cup to warm up your winter and cheer you up. Hot chocolate, let's get started! First, I melt the dark chocolate in bain-marie. I've already crumbled it to make things easier. As soon as it's ready, I'll save it and pour the cold milk into another pot. I'll put through a sieve maize starch and dark cocoa powder. And I will immediately mix with a whip to dilute the powder and avoid lumps. Starch can replace potato flour, but remember that they have different thickening properties, and the potato flour will make the mixture a little more jelly-like. I'll add sugar. Of course, you can adjust the quantity to your liking or choose cane sugar. As soon as the milk starts simmering, I add the melted chocolate. And immediately stir again until it reaches the desired consistency. Here it is! It's perfect for me now. With a dollop of cream, a pinch of cinnamon, or as I like it, with a note of fleur de sel. However you decide to taste it, hot chocolate will warm your heart and pose, of course. Bon appétit!